Hello and welcome. Today we are exploring transformations in geometry, specifically looking at dilations. A dilation is a transformation that changes the size of a figure, but it never changes the shape. Think of it like using the zoom feature on a camera or resizing a picture on your computer screen. The resulting figure is always similar to the original one. Every dilation is anchored by a fixed point known as the center of dilation. This point does not move. The entire dilation happens relative to this spot. If a figure gets larger, it stretches away from the center. If it gets smaller, it shrinks towards the center. The most important part of a dilation is the scale factor. Represented by the variable k, the scale factor is simply a ratio. It is calculated by dividing a length on the new image by the corresponding length on the original image. This number acts as a multiplier for the entire transformation. Let's look at the first case. When the scale factor, k, is greater than 1, we call this an enlargement. Because the multiplier is more than 1, the new image will always be larger than the original figure. Here is an example where the scale factor is 2. If our original triangle has a side length of 3 units, we multiply that by 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. So, the side length of the new triangle is 6 units. The new shape is exactly twice as big as the original. Now let's consider the second case. When the scale factor k is between 0 and 1, such as a fraction or a decimal, we call this a reduction. Since we are multiplying by a value less than 1, the new image will be smaller than the original. For this example, let's use a scale factor of 0.5, which is the same as 1/2. If our original square has a side length of 8 units, we multiply 8 by 0.5. The result is 4. The new square is half the size of the original one. What happens if the scale factor is exactly 1? Since multiplying any number by 1 gives you the same number, the size does not change. The new image is congruent to the original image. We often call this an identity transformation because the figure remains identical in size and position. When working on a coordinate plane, there is a simple algebraic rule for dilations centered at the origin. You take the coordinates x and y of any point and multiply both of them by the scale factor k, so x becomes k times x, and y becomes k times y. To wrap up, remember these 3 key rules. If k is greater than 1, it is an enlargement, like zooming in. If k is between 0 and 1, it is a reduction, like zooming out. And if k equals 1, there is no change in size.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.